Hey there, it's Beth from Settlemyre Nursery, and I'm going to teach you how to trim your floppy hydrangeas that might be heavy from the rain, and then how to turn those hydrangeas into a dried bouquet for fall decorations. Sometimes when we have too much rain, the rain will really weigh down these hydrangea blooms, and we like to just go in and give them a nice trim. I'm just going to trim off right above where I cut out last year, and that's going to help these stems perk right back up. That way your hydrangea doesn't have floppy blooms on it. Now that we have all of these blooms cut, we can use them in a fresh bouquet inside, or you can dry them out. Drying out is a really easy process, and I'll show you how to create a favorite fall decoration. To dry your blooms, first I like to start with just taking the leaves off. So I put my finger where the leaves are connected, and I'm going to strip away from that bloom, and they come right off. You don't have to take your leaves off, but I like to because when leaves dry, they just get really crunchy. So I'm just taking it and stripping every stem. Now that all of my stems are stripped, I'm just going to put them together. And what you're going to do is place the ends of the stems together. It doesn't matter for the head height, because we are gonna hang them all upside down. But I want all of my stems to match so that when I put a rubber band on them, I don't have to worry about where I place the rubber band. And now all my stems match, I have a really nice bundle, and I'm just gonna take a rubber band, wrap it around those stems, and I'll leave it pretty loose where there is some tension so that we can hang it up on the hook. And I'll just hook it by the rubber band and let them hang. Typically, it takes about a week for them to dry out, but you can always just check on them every few days. And once they're dry, then you can turn them back over and set them out for decoration. Here is a dried bouquet that we made at the nursery. If you use a variety of hydrangeas, you get a lot of extra colors. This one is a Firelight, and then we do have some LittleLime and some Limelight. You can just put it in a jar and set it out as decoration. Thank you for watching our video. If you found this helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel.